Welcome back to Lively Pets, your place for all things pets. As a pet lover, there is no better feeling than to get paid for doing what you love. For 2023, there are lots of choices for careers in the pet field that keep you happy and fulfilled, all while making a steady income. In today's video, we're taking a look at the top 5 career choices for pet professionals in 2023. So grab your favorite furry friend and let's get started. The first career on our list is a dog trainer. Contrary to what some believe, you don't have to be the next dog whisperer to have a career in the dog training world. Trainers can range from potty training a puppy to behavioral therapy for an out-of-control pet. You simply need to enjoy working with dogs and assisting others in learning how to handle their pets. This job does not require a college degree, but taking some courses in understanding animal behavior would be very valuable. That and patience. This career choice will require a lot of patience for stubborn clients. Opportunities can start by working at a shelter, all the way to creating your own business as an independent trainer. This field has endless possibilities, and one can really explore the options in several areas of expertise if you're willing to learn the techniques. If you prefer to travel, you can advertise yourself as a mobile trainer, or stay local if you prefer. The only restrictions you have in this field are the ones you place on yourself. A dog trainer salary is around $61,000 a year for full-time employment, with the average hourly rate being around $50 an hour. The next career option on our list is a pet groomer. If you love animals and enjoy helping them look and feel their best, this is a great choice, especially for those who want to work hands-on and express their creativity through their work. It can be challenging at times, but it's always a fulfilling path with plenty of opportunity for growth. In addition to styling, groomers tend to their clients' pet skin and coats to prevent issues like dry skin and matting. They help maintain the animal's hygiene to prevent common infections and sicknesses that can come from bacterial, viral, and fungal buildup on the skin. They're usually the first to notice a new lesion or growth on a pet, so a groomer's job can be just as much about health as it is appearance. There are very few legal requirements for groomers, but you have to realize that you are responsible for the health and safety of the animal in your care. So it's best to learn as much as you can about animal behavior, anatomy, and care before starting. No state currently requires a formal education for this career, but certain courses or certifications can help you gain the foundational knowledge and experience you need to do the job well. It's also helpful to do tons of research into the different products that can be used for grooming and choose only the highest quality for your clients. The average yearly salary for a dog groomer can be close to $60,000 and has the potential to have no cap if you hire out and really delve into starting your own company. Number 3 on our list is doggy daycare. Now, you may be wondering how doggy daycare could be a profitable choice for a career in the pet field. But really, the sky is the limit with this one. There are no requirements for certifications or degrees to start your own doggy daycare business. But like with any of the other options on our list, any courses or extra qualifications you have can only make you, your services, and your business better. You could start off as a worker in a daycare and climb the ladder of success while you prepare to open your own. With your own business, you could offer other services in-house for your clients, like grooming, training, and even hire for a dog walker to go out and procure clients for pet owners who may not need the full services of a daycare, but could still benefit from a walker. If you go the route of starting out as a worker in a daycare, you can likely expect to make minimum wage. But the experience you'd gain would be priceless in the long run if you eventually intend to own your own. Depending on your location and the need for a doggy daycare, there is no cap on the earning potential you have with ownership. In the United States, a full day of care can cost anywhere from $29 to $46. If you think very conservatively in terms of the number of dogs a daycare can service each day, assuming 30 show up on any given day, you can generate $870 on the low end and up to $1,380 each day. If you add in any other services your business could provide, then the only restrictions for earning potential you have are the ones you place on yourself. Number 2 on our list is the veterinary technician, or vet tech. Just like any of the other occupations on our list, if you have a passion for animals of all shapes and sizes, then consider becoming a vet tech. Veterinary technicians are professionals who work under a licensed veterinarian and play an essential role in the overall care of animals. They may provide both emergency and routine care for animals and use both clinical skill and knowledge to perform job duties. Vet techs can perform any task assigned by a veterinarian except prescribe medication, make medical diagnoses, and perform surgery. In this field, you can expect to prepare surgical instruments and animals for surgery, perform x-rays and other diagnostic tests, administer vaccinations and medications, assist in surgeries and medical research related to the animals they care for. Becoming a veterinary technician requires at least a 2-year associate's degree in veterinary technology, animal sciences, or a related field. Some programs may require aspiring vet techs to have completed up to 20 hours of observations at a veterinary hospital, in addition to having received a high school diploma before allowing them to enroll in an associate's program. As far as salary goes, it can vary based on years of experience. A vet tech just starting out can expect to make somewhere around $18 an hour, while someone with 10+ years of experience can make upwards of $25 per hour. And of course, I'm sure everyone could have guessed what the number 1 occupation for animal lovers would be: the veterinarian. The veterinarian embodies everything there is when it comes to caring for our beloved pets. They're usually kind, understanding, and have a big heart when it comes to our fur babies. Veterinarians protect the health and well-being of all animals, including livestock. When taking the veterinarian's oath, a veterinarian solemnly swears to use his or her scientific knowledge and skills for the benefit of society, the relief of animal suffering, the conservation of animal resource, the promotion of public health, and the advancement of medical knowledge. In many aspects, a veterinarian can be likened to a pediatrician in a sense. Animals cannot express what is wrong with them, much like babies and toddlers can't. Therefore, much of their clinical history is obtained from the owner, as a pediatrician would obtain from a child's parent. People skills and communication skills are required. The general practice veterinarian spends 1/3 to 1/2 of his or her time in surgery. Animal neutering operations are done in most veterinarians' offices. Many also perform orthopedic procedures, dentistry, and trauma surgery. These all require good eye-hand coordination and fine motor skills. When health problems arise, veterinarians diagnose the problem and treat the animal. Accurate diagnosis frequently requires laboratory tests, radiography, and specialized equipment. Treatments may involve a number of different procedures, including emergency life-saving techniques, prescribing medication, setting fractures, birthing, performing surgery, or advising an owner on feeding and proper care of the animal. As a veterinarian, you may choose to specialize in a particular area such as exotic animals, equine medicine, or aquatic medicine, though almost 75% of people in this field choose to open their own private practice and focus on household pets. Regardless of what you choose, a veterinarian must undergo a lot of schooling. To be accepted into a veterinary program, you'll likely need a bachelor's degree first. It doesn't matter what type of bachelor's degree. Generally speaking, any will act as a springboard to vet school. In fact, even English and math majors have gone on to become successful veterinary students and doctors. However, it may be beneficial for you to choose a major that will better prepare you for the topics you'll cover in veterinary school, like pre-veterinary medicine, animal science, biology, and zoology. Then you'll need to apply to vet school. As a veterinarian in the U.S., you'll need a Doctor of Veterinary Medicine degree from an accredited school, which usually takes around 8 years to complete. The first 3 years consist of in-class studies, while the final years involve clinical rotations. These provide you with invaluable hands-on veterinary experience that gives you the opportunity to translate your classroom learning into real-world skills. To graduate from vet school and legally work as a vet, you'll have to pass the North American Veterinary Licensing Examination. Additionally, some states will require a separate license to practice. As a veterinarian with a private practice, you can expect to earn around $187,000 a year, but can exceed $300,000 a year depending on the specialty. And there you have it, our list of the top 5 career choices for animal lovers. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more pet and animal videos. Until next time, keep on wagging on.